Hello everyone, today we have a 2013 Honda Odyssey EX with a clean title. This one does have a 3.5 liter engine. And it is running smooth, so I'll go ahead and take it for a tour. This vehicle seats 8. Has alloy wheels. Has a lot of stowage. Go ahead and give you a shot of the interior. There we go. Just have that brake light in the spoiler. Go ahead and take it for a tour of the interior. Let's have power sliding side doors. Go ahead and give you a shot of the VIN. There we go. Okay, your stereo controls are down here, so we can go ahead and turn that down. See that you do have AM, FM, and CD. You can also connect your phone through USB or aux. Then we can go ahead and turn this down. There we go. And then you have power outlets here, another aux port right here. Then you have your, there we go, additional storage down there. Right here is cup holders, more storage, glove compartment, and as you come over here, you'll see that it has 112,725 miles on this vehicle. You also have your, come down a little bit, you got your push to talk and your cruise control, your other stereo controls right there in the steering wheel. And up above, you've got your map reading lights. And then here you've got your glasses holder, which also becomes a conversation mirror. So, about wraps it up for this Honda. As I mentioned before, it does have a clean title. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.